Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a toilet roll. So we're going to start off with a cylinder like so. I'm going to leave it at its default sizes. What we've got to do next is go to edit mode, select the top and bottom faces, and then we're going to eye to inset to about the size of where you think the cardboard is going to be, and then we're going to right click and bridge faces, leave those selected. We're going to hit shift D, escape P by selection. So now we've got two shapes there. We've got the toilet roll and we've got the cardboard. The cardboard we need to solidify, so I'm on Blender 4. So we've got generate and then solidify. I'm going for minus 0.015, and that should give us our cardboard. I'm also going to shade smooth, tick the box, toilet roll, shade smooth and tick the box. Okay, the cardboard, I'm just going to scale it up on the Z just so it's a little bit bigger than the actual toilet roll there. We're going to give it a little bit of colour. It's going to be cardboard, so let's chuck in a bit of brown like so, and bada bing bada boom. Now the toilet roll, I took a photo of a piece of toilet roll. So we're going to go to image texture and find the material. So we've got our toilet roll, we've got the paper on. We're just going to scale it down a little bit because it seems to be off for the we need to go into UV editor, we need to edit. We're just going to select all these ones along the outside there, select A, and then just scale it down. I mean, you may not have to. I'm only doing this because we had the different colours along the top here, so it's probably gone off the edge there. So that is alright. You can see there we've got our pattern on there, which is all good. Now what we've got to do is select these top ones and the bottom ones, create new material, and next we're going to go into our shader editor, and then we're going to do a Control T. Now if you can't do that, then you haven't got Node Wrangler installed. Just go to edit, preferences, add-ons, type in Node, and just tick your Node Wrangler, and then you can do Control T. We're going to get rid of the image one there, and we now need to put in a wave, W-A-V-E, wave texture. So going vector to vector, and in this instance we're going to the base color. We need to change it to rings, and we need to assign our new material to the tops and the bottoms there. So now you can see this, you can see the lines here. So we're going to scale those up to say around about 30, change that to Z, let's put it back down to 0, and you can see here we've got our curves. So we need to find out where our center is, so minus 0.25, and then this one here, minus 0.25. So you can see there we're in the center. What we need to do now is, I might just crank that up to 35, and then we need to add some distortion to it. So you can see there it's making it a little bit crumply, so it's not too uniform. What we need to do now is put in a bump map. BUMP, and we just need to chuck that in there, and we need to change that to height. We need to put this one to normal, like so. So you can see there we've got all the crumpling going on. We can come out of the edit there. And then all you need to do is just mess around with these. If you put it too high, you know, it depends on the sort of thing that you're going for. Maybe we could go for like 60. So it makes it a little bit more finer. And I think that is that. So now we can add in a plane. So just scale that up. Just pull that out a bit. Go to edit, number 2, select edges, select that edge, extrude on the Z. We're going to select that edge there and bevel that. Let's just chuck those segments up like so. And shade smooth. So this you can have whatever colour you want. You can make it a nice, if you're doing an advert for some toilet roll or whatever. Let's go into our need to extrude on the X. Now I need some lighting, so let's do Shift A, go down to light and do an area light. Bring it on up. I just want to scale it on out a little bit. Whoop. Move it on over. We can rotate it on the X for 45 degrees. Let's crank up that to say 250. Let's change our over to cycles, GPU with a little bit of denoise. Let's just bring that over a bit. Rotate on the Z. And we're just going to create another one, so Shift D on the Y, rotate on the Z, like so. And then what you can do actually is, I mean, if you just wanted to scale it all down a wee bit, like so, Shift D on the Z. Let's just make sure that's sitting on there, like so. Shift D on the Z, like so. And then you can obviously select all the cylinders, Shift D on the Y. Let's change this background to something different. Maybe we could just have it black. Yeah, that works. So you can pretty much do whatever colour you want really. Oh, that's quite nice. I like that. And then you can remove all your on-screen crud. And there we go. There is our toilet rolls. I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, even if you didn't, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.